All right, let's classify this sentence. Let's start by reading it together. Get ready. He walked around in his wet shoes today. Who walked around in his wet shoes today? He. Subject, pronoun. What's being said about he? He walked. Verb. Walked where? Around. Adverb. In. Preposition. In what? Shoes. Object of the preposition. Where? Today. Adverb. What kind of shoes? Wet. Adjective. His. Possessive pronoun. Subject, noun, verb, pattern, would. Skill check. In his wet shoes, prepositional phrase, period statement, declarative sentence, go back to the verb, divide the complete subject by the complete predicate. Alrighty, let's classify this sentence together. Let's read it first. Get ready. Baseball fans arrived very early for the big game. Who arrived very early for the big game? Fans. Subject, noun. What's being said about fans? Fans arrived. Verb. Arrived how? Early. Adverb. How early? Very early. Adverb. For. Preposition. For what? Game. Object of the preposition. What kind of game? Big. Adjective. The article adjective. What kind of fans? Baseball fans. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Skill check. For the big game. Prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject by the complete predicate.